There's no way Amy would ever have played with
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye!
Remember we had to take the buses instead of this?
Mm-hmm.
What? Huh. Mama, look down there.
Alrighty, it's now safe to exit the trip. Everyone's going to pull up the silver net.
That reminds me. Yeah, that does. That reminds me of Hollywood. You remember when
And Charles.
Yeah.
It was so cool. I can hear other people's.
In just a few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
Whoa. Did we pass this earlier?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We were over there.
It was daylight.
Yeah.
They didn't make the announcement on it.
Did you know that the entire Walt Disney World Resort is over 40 square miles? That's about the same size as the city of San Francisco and double the island of Manhattan.
That's cool. We're about to land.
We will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort shortly. All passengers must disembark and transfer at this station. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
That does not sound pleasant. Mama, look over there. Is that like Universal?
Please remain
Wait a
seated
minute,
until
it's
the
like
doors
Mighty
automatically open.
It's
When
like
exiting the cabin,
Parks.
please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
That's not a Disney.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
It looks like
I know.
watch your foot.
Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Throughout his life and career, Walt Disney had a passion for animals and the natural world. Today, we are traveling through one of the many protected wetlands here at Walt Disney World Resort. If you're lucky, you might spot some of the happiest wildlife on Earth. In just a few minutes, we will be arriving at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Whether you plan to visit a galactic outpost or play with all of Andy's toys, at Disney's Hollywood Studios, everyone can become the stars of their favorite cinematic stories. Before you walk the red carpet, remember to double-check your star-studded itinerary using your My Disney Experience mobile app. Ladies, gentlemen, and members of the Academy, welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Have a great night, folks. I got you.